Story Time。
Oh, hello everyone, and welcome to Story Time with Papa Luke. 欢迎大家来到 Luke 爸爸说故事时间。今天我们要讲的故事就跟打呼有关系，叫做 My Daddy Snores。我爸爸会打呼 ，My Daddy Snores。哇，打呼真的有这么恐怖吗？要捂着耳朵这样？我们赶快来看看哦。哇，很恐怖的感觉。My daddy snores. On Monday, Daddy's snore boomed like a dinosaur roar. The windows rattled, the walls trembled. So, 哇，我们看到了星期一，爸爸打呼像恐龙叫。Daddy snore boomed like a dinosaur roar. 哇，好恐怖哦！那怎么办呢？妈妈都睡不着了，妈妈怎么办呢 ？So, mommy played musical beds. 妈咪只好去玩大风吹。她先躲到我的床上。She tried sleeping in my bed.But I hogged the blanket. 妈妈睡我床上，结果棉被都被我拉过来了。I hogged the blanket. So mommy was cold. She tried to sleep in Natalie's crib, but it broke. 啊，她睡在妹妹的婴儿床里面，结果啪破掉了。Mommy broke the crib. No, no. 怎么办呢？不可以去睡婴儿床，妈咪那么大只，对不对 ？On Tuesday, Daddy snored, rumbled like an earthquake. 星期二的时候，爸爸打呼好像地震一样，哇，天崩地裂 ！Daddy snored, rumbled like an earthquake, and shook Mommy right off the bed. Ouch！ 妈妈都被震下床了，哇，真的有这么恐怖的打呼声吗？我们看，她只好跑到去睡浴缸 ，so she slept in the bathtub. She slept in the bathtub. 睡浴缸好像不错哦 ，seemed like a good idea.But the faucet dripped water on her head all night long. 但是整晚一直被水滴滴滴滴答答滴滴答答 drip 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 drip. The faucet dripped water on her head all night long, keeping her awake. Oh no! 还是睡不好，星期二还是睡不好。那么星期三可以睡好吗？On Wednesday, Daddy snored chuck like a freight train. Choo choo, choo choo. 哇，怎么有这么恐怖的打呼声啊？你看，爸爸睡觉的时候居然还可以发出火车的声音，妈妈真的是受不了了。所以怎么办？他就跑去睡，睡黄金鼠，睡老鼠的笼子 ，No. So mommy slept in Hammy's cage, but she was too squished, and it smelled funny. 哎呦，这样子太挤了，而且老鼠也没地方睡，而且有一个臭臭的味道。没错，怎么可以去睡那个黄金鼠的笼子呢 ？Oh no! And on Thursday, Daddy snored buzzed like a bumblebee. Bzzz. Bzzz. 啊，好吵啊 ！No， 怎么有这么恐怖的打呼声？还有大黄蜂的声音。He buzzed like a bumblebee. OK， 所以妈妈就去睡哪里 ？So mommy slept in the doghouse。Mommy slept in the doghouse， 她就睡在狗屋里面。可是可怜的狗狗也睡不着。But poor Rover didn't sleep a wink. He howled instead very loudly. 因为有妈妈挤进他的狗屋，所以狗狗整个晚上都在那边嗷嗷嗷，好可怜呐，不可以呀，去吵醒狗狗。终于到了礼拜五，on Friday, Daddy snored whistle like a teapot. Daddy snored whistle like a teapot. Oh no. But this time, Mommy made Daddy sleep in Splish's bowl. But even Daddy's bubbles snore loudly. 就叫他去睡鱼缸。这只小鱼叫 Splishy。But even the bubbles snored loudly. 居然连那个打呼的泡泡都很大声哦，因为他在打呼里面就是哎呀天哪 ！And it wasn't fair to Splishy at all. 哎呀，这样你看他被挤在这边，金鱼就没有地方睡了，怎么可以这样？礼拜六来了 ，On Saturday, Daddy snored honk like a truck. 居然像卡车一样的叭叭声，打那个喇叭声很大声 ，honk honk honk honk。Oh no, he snored honk like a truck. 天哪，这要怎么睡得着 ？So mommy had an idea. She made Daddy sleep in our tent. 叫爸爸去睡院子里面，让他自己住在帐篷里面不就好了吗？不错哦。Seems like a good idea. She made Daddy sleep in our tent. 去睡帐篷就好了，他就一个人吵自己。嘘，没关系，我们都在房子里面听不到。但是所有的小鸟都被他吵起来了。He woke up all the birds. Oh no, the birdies cannot sleep. Then the birds woke us up. It was not a great idea after all. 把小鸟都吵醒来了，小鸟就来抗议啦。你的爸爸太吵了，叫他不要睡院子。He's too loud. He snores. No. 妹妹也哭了，大家又被鸟吵醒了，爸爸吵醒鸟，结果小鸟就来吵大家。这时候，天哪！星期天的早晨 ，Mommy looked like a zombie having a bad hair day. 她就像是丧尸一样的，而且头发乱七八糟。She said, "No more snoring." She yelled, "No more snoring." 你不要再打呼啦 ！No more snoring. And she took Daddy to the doctor. And the doctor helped to cure Daddy's snoring. 去看个医生的时候呢，就可以治疗爸爸的打呼这样子的奇怪的打呼太大声的这样子的情况。妈妈已经睡着了 ，Now mommy's snoring. 耶！哇，爸爸终于不打呼了。可是回到家以后，我们看到一片宁静。On Sunday night, Daddy's didn't snore. He didn't snore and the whole house was quiet. Shh. Wow, you see? Doggy's sleeping, Hammy's sleeping, and the fish is sleeping, Daddy's sleeping, Natalie's sleeping, everybody's sleeping quietly. 是不是就可以睡一个好觉了呢？但是爸爸开始说梦话 Daddy started talking in his sleep. Oh no! 怎么开始说梦话了 Oh no! Daddy said, yes, thanks. I'd love more ice cream. Thank you, I love more ice cream. Oh no! Daddy started sleep talking. No! 天哪，这该怎么办呢？这就是我们的我爸爸会打呼 My daddy snores 今天的故事就到这边，下次再见喽，拜拜。